Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Today we are out on the Talaria XXX. I just finished recording a full install video on a new subframe. So shout out FactoryZ for sending me the subframe. I'll pull over real quick. One, to let this ambulance go by, and two, just to show you the subframe. But you'll have seen it last video if you watch the channel, but here it is. Looks pretty sweet, looks pretty beefy. This is actually my first install. So this is the first test of the actual new subframe. If you guys don't know, Talaria XXX subframes are kind of notoriously weak. The first batch of subframes actually, like, a lot of them got bent, so they made a beefier subframe. I had the beefier subframe. However, I still went ahead and replaced it with this one, so we're gonna test it out today. We're actually gonna go do some more off-roading. I found a cool spot yesterday, a little track. Why am I still following this thing? Let's slow down. Hopefully you guys can hear me now, but I found a cool little track yesterday, so I'm gonna go back there with the camera, record a couple of clips, just go have some fun. So I will catch you guys at the spot. Whew, alrighty, and here we are at the spot. YouTube, this is all off-road, closed course, so please treat this video well. Excuse me. Yeah, it's a fun spot. This is called Graffiti Pier. I guess it rained yesterday. Gonna be a little wet. We'll see how that makes our track, but alright, this is right where we want to go up. We obviously have these new Shinkos on, new stem lock, and now new subframe, so you should be able to rip it up through here. Oh yeah, definitely a little wet. Woo! Still rip that. Guys, I am admittedly a terrible off-road rider, so just know that. But we're still gonna shred it up through here. Woo-hoo-hoo! And there's this cool, like, little hill climb here. I feel like you could almost catch air. Well, you obviously could catch air right off this, but I think I'm too much of a... Loving these Shinkos off-road, though. I didn't like them at, like, first to start, but I just had to break them in a bit. Let's go rip that hill climb quick. Actually, wait, let's go this way. I've never been this way. We'll go back to the hill climb. Oh, there's another. Of course, the GoPro. I'm glad I checked it. The GoPro mic stopped recording there for a second, but we were just back over there ripping around. But I hope it works and continues to work as we explore. Oh yeah, we gotta go slow through this. I'm not trying to get soaked. But yeah, this is really cool. There's a wealth of... Oh, I'm getting soaked and muddy now. There's a wealth of trails back here. It's really cool. Fun spot. There's just so much to go and see. Like, I only explored a couple of them too. There's so many. But yeah, guys, this XXX obviously eats this up with the Shinkos, the new subframe. You know, it feels good. It doesn't really feel that different from stock, to be honest, but it should be more rigid, should hold up more over time. So I'm liking it. It's feeling good, feeling sturdy. Oh, forgot I came up this nice and steep, and you can't freaking see, and blah blah blah. Clearly not a great off-road rider, but yeah, guys, you can do this on a Talaria XXX. Just put some dirt tires on. It does the same thing a Sur-Ron can do. You know, it might not be quite as smooth a ride as a Sur-Ron, but you're also saving a lot of money versus a Sur-Ron. So definitely recommend these Shinkos. I like them. I didn't like them at first, believe it or not, because I thought they, like, just didn't, I don't know, I didn't like them on the street for wheelies, but now that I'm able to do all this off-roading, I forgot how damn fun it was. And now that they're a little broken in too, they also feel a lot better for wheelies. So speaking of wheelies, let's rip a wheelie. Oh yeah, we'll go back to that section, because I guess it wasn't recorded before. Not with audio, at least. One hand pull up. Bop. Slow her down, buddy. There we are. There's some fishermen over there that we were talking to earlier, but you guys didn't hear it, so... Oh, high chair is so scary, dude. Let's try and get a hand drag here. Spin a little bit. We're actually a little higher off the ground too with these Shinkos. Need a little more speed. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, we were close, guys. I promise. I know you can't see, but we were close. I could just lie to you and say we got it, but I'm not that kind of guy. Yeah, and then they have this little paved section here. I'm led to believe that, like, parts of this used to be like a walking trail, but then I don't really know what happened. This would be fun if, you know, there wasn't a tree in the way. Oh, that was so stupid, dude. I'm gonna be so dirty. Got some dudes over here spray painting. Damn, guys, I really gotta be getting rid of this GoPro and upgrading here, because what I have to deal with this is not it. I'll tell you that. Always some characters out. Let's go hit our track again. Yeah, guys, this off-roading is fun, though. That spot is so sketchy right there. Just fall into that crack. What are we spraying? Is this you? You do this?
Oh, no, we just gonna touch that.
Oh, bro, I love the smell of that shit. It's like, whoo.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, bro, I appreciate it. It's called a Talaria. Yeah, they're fun, bro. Yeah, the best part is, you know, you get all the perks of a dirt bike, but cops don't do anything. Like, I talk to them all the time. They chase all the other dirt bikes, don't do shit about this. Fully electric, yeah. Have fun. Oh, a little climb here? See, there's good vibes out here. People spray painting. Oh, there's a little climb. Yeah, there's a log in the way, damn it. I think we can get back to our track by going this way. Oh, that way, actually. All right. Use some regen braking? Why not? Save our pads. It's like downshifting. Downshift. Whoa! Downshifted to first gear there, apparently. Ooh, yo, the regen is actually fire for slowing down on the berms. That's so sweet. Guys, if you have any pointers, you ride off-road, let me know. I'm always game to hearing them. Regen there, let's go. Oh, we cleared it clean. Regen coming around here. No braking required there. Little brake. Oh, yo, that's so sick with the regen.
Gotta hit him with the update. Okay. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit a nigga when you at the front gate. Back like that. No. Guess I gotta hit him with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fade. Killer flow and hit him with the one take. Please tell me what's to them boys. I know they ain't talking about me.
I hope you guys enjoyed those clips of me ripping through the forest. Oh, that is a home of someone. This is Paul So Hard territory right here. Yeah, I'm gonna steer clear. That's the difference between me and Paul. And, you know, riding capabilities. Oh, some more berms through here. It's a tighter single track section. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed those clips. I don't know if any of you guys would have noticed, but those are actually from yesterday, where I set my phone up to record, because I was too lazy to do it again today. And I came up this section before, because I remember having to duck. Oh my goodness, this is too fun. Let's go again. Stay in the berm, geez. Woo-hoo-hoo. Guys, if you have a Regen thumb throttle, do you ever try using it to brake instead of the brakes in the corners on your like Sur-Ron or Talaria? I'd be interested to hear that, because it kind of feels like a hack to me. It literally feels like downshifting. Because, I mean, it obviously really is, because it's engine brake, you know? This is the weekend of the Chicago Mega Ride. I will not be attending, unfortunately, just due to being busy, having a lot to do, and not really wanting to drive 12 hours. Plus, Corey's got to ride out this weekend. Oh, we just came this way. Yeah, I don't feel like doing this whole, you know, crawl under that thing. So I will not be attending, but Corey should have a ride out this weekend. It's nice, because I don't have to, you know, drive anywhere to go to it. So that'll be fun. You know you're not supposed to be up there. But anyways, guys, in classic GoPro fashion, the mic stopped working again. I gotta get a new camera, but this thing freaking rips off-road. It's so fun. Obviously, you can see it's all dirty, but the Shinkos work great. The new FactoryZ subframe works great. Obviously, we got the nuclear, the shift locks from Astroworks. Everything on this bike is awesome. So it's really opened up a ton of new riding options. these these tires have gotten broken in, so they actually feel a lot better for wheelies now. The swerves are crazy on them. I actually can swerve now better than on the stock Supermoto tires. So loving everything here so far. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have so much to come. But yeah, I will catch you next time. Peace.
No lie, no leap. I ain't gonna lose no sleep. You don't hop in this Jeep. What you gonna sow, you gonna reap. Bet I'm gonna kill what I eat by the end of this beat. Put a little honey in my teeth.